Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and legal authority. This matters because removing authentication without permission is illegal. Once done, make sure you have a current backup of important files and a recovery email or admin contact. You will also want a secondary device for research and downloads. I avoid command-level instructions here and instead explain secure recovery options you can pursue, and why each prerequisite prevents data loss and protects privacy before deeper steps are attempted. You should use vendor-provided recovery first because it preserves accounts and audit trails. This includes Microsoft or Apple account resets and verified identity checks. Once done, follow documented reset flows that link to your email or phone. If those fail, make sure to consider system restore points or a clean OS reinstall to regain access while keeping legal compliance. I explain why official paths are safer. They avoid corrupting user data and keep your device within policy and warranty rules. You finish by setting a new, strong password and enabling two-factor authentication to prevent repeat lockouts. Once done, verify your files from the backup and confirm system integrity. If recovery options are exhausted, make sure to contact the device manufacturer, your IT admin, or a certified technician rather than attempting covert bypasses. One troubleshooting tip: if recovery stalls, check ownership proof requirements and error messages before proceeding, because that information guides the correct authorized next step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.